Hi bass players, welcome back to the channel. Tatiana is here. Today I want to show you how to practice some funk bass exercises in a way that really builds your timing, your groove and finger control. And at the end I will share a cool resource I've just created to help you develop your funk skills even faster. Funk bass is all about tight rhythm, so you learn how to split a beat into 8th and 16th notes, or in the British tradition they are called quavers and semiquavers, and use them as elements of internal pulsation both as sounding notes and as rests. Another thing you develop with funk exercises is precise articulation. Even very simple patterns can sound amazing, but only if your timing and your tone are solid. That's why exercises like this are perfect for building that foundation. You are not just playing the notes, you are training your groove and your feel. Let's take this funk riff. At a slow tempo, you can really focus on finger synchronization between both hands and the consistent tone and staying perfectly in the pocket with the beat. I recommend starting slow, even slower than you think you need, and then loop the line a few times until it feels easy. Try to feel the groove even at this slow tempo, and the metronome is your loyal helper. I set my metronome at 80 BPM, and the exercise looks like this: 2, 3, 4. Notice how things start to change when you practice more, how you feel it and even how you breathe with it. I often use my breath when I play on the bass. I use my breath to feel the rhythm, especially when I skip a beat or I play syncopation a little bit off beat. It helps me feel the groove more physically, to internalize it. Even in the exercise that I just showed you, I noticed that I take my breath here and here, where the rests are. And it looks like this. 2, 3, 4. This is how you train both your finger muscles and your internal rhythm. Once you are comfortable, you can gradually increase the tempo. So after 80 BPM, it can go to 86, 90 and further up. I will show you the same riff at the faster tempo. So I increased it slowly and played it slowly in different tempos, and I reached 120 BPM, for example. Okay, so it sounds like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. If you enjoy exercises like this and you want to develop your rhythm feeling even more, I've put together a special practice pack which is called 5 funk exercises for bass players. It includes PDFs with both notation and tab, MP3 play along set to tempos 80 BPM and 120 BPM, and a private YouTube course where I play each exercise in both tempos and I loop it twice so that you can listen to it and understand how it all should sound and you can play together with me. If reading tabs or notation feels tricky, the videos make it easy to follow along and get the groove right. You'll find the link below. Check it out, grab your copy if you want, and let's get funky together. If you liked this video, don't forget to press that like sign and subscribe. There is more coming on this channel to help you improve your bass playing week by week. See you in the next one and keep the funk alive!